Okay, now we are in the last section of 3.23. This time we're solve a problem using proportion. It's obviously this is about a word problem. So these are there are two problems here. I just made that myself. First one, like this. CNN faculty to student ratio is 2 to 15. Okay? If currently students are 27,000 with the same ratio, how many faculty are there? Okay? This is same ratio. Then you just write out a proportion or write out the ratio. So 2 to 15. Now you have this is faculty, this is a student. So now we have 27,000 roughly correct here. So student is at the bottom. So you have to put at exactly the same place. And then they're looking for this empty. Okay? Once you write out the proportion, then you can solve it. Cross product. Okay? 2 times 27,000. 2 times 27,000 is 15 times x. This is 54,000 equal 15x. Then you divide it by 15. Okay? 54,000. Okay, use our calculator. By the way, if you have this kind of a type of calculator, you're in very good shape. But anyway, the later your higher level class, you may be using this type of calculator. The good part of this is you can see all your number there while you're typing. 54,000 divided by 15. You can check that correct or not. Then you divide by 3,600, which means currently we have 3,600 faculty at CNN with this type of ratio. Okay, this is a typical proportion problem. Very straightforward. All you need to do is put the student, the faculty, student, faculty, student. Okay. Next example, again, I made it up myself. This is about tax rate. Tax rate problem. Let me read this. If you're this year, your income, last year, your income was $28,000, okay? You pay a $3,500 tax. If your income this year is $35,000, what the tax you have to pay at the same tax rate, okay? The same tax rate, okay? This is another typical proportion problem. So last year, your income $28,000. You pay $3,500. Doesn't matter. You can put the $3,500 at the top, $28,000 at the bottom. Doesn't matter. Now you put your income at the top. Okay. This year your income is $3,500. Looking for the same tax rate. So this is in a proportion problem. So you write like this, you're fine. Or you can write 35, okay, so flip over. Now, how do we solve it? You cross multiply. 3,500, this 3,500 times 35,000 equal 2,800, so 28,000 times x. Okay? By the way, you see on the left hand side you have 30 here. Actually, you can cross that out. It's like 3,500 times 35 equal 28 times x. Okay, with a good calculator, you have your $10. That type of calculator actually is good enough for this class. 3,500 times 35 times 35. Get the result. That will be 122,500. You divide it by 28. Okay, let's do do it again. That will be 122,500 equal 28x. And then you divide it by 28. Okay, then you solve that, x equal 4375. Okay, use a good calculator, will get you, save you a lot of work. So this year your tax, you're going to pay $4,375 with the same tax rate. Okay,